to the second vlog from the YouTube event in England. If you remember in the previous vlog, I mentioned that I chose this outfit for the event because even though it's comfortable, it's still pretty cold here. What do you think? Does it suit me? It's about a 2.5-hour drive from our house to the event city, so I prepared drinks and things we might need for the road. These are also couples snacks. Of course, the couple will also come with us. And here's the back of the car, which I set up for couple so he won't get uncomfortable on the way and can really enjoy himself. Are you ready to hit the road? This is the city of Bradford. YouTube events are held in a new city every year, and this year it's happening right here in the city center. For this event, my husband, my son, and I were all invited together. As soon as we arrived, the doors to the venue opened and we went in. And here's my child with my name. At the entrance to the event, we were welcomed with a variety of drinks. As you can see, not everyone has arrived yet. At this event, TV reporters, government employees, and English YouTubers were all invited. This lady's name is Allison, and she's the CEO of YouTube in the UK and Ireland. She welcomes everyone and unveils some of YouTube's upcoming features. One of my YouTuber friends from London who has a cooking channel is amazing. I want to show you everything. Cheers. The food was delicious. There were both meat and vegetarian dishes. It was all new to me and also really tasty. All in all, I had a great time and I hope you enjoyed this vlog too. Until the next vlog. Bye.